All right, for homework this week, your goal is to refine your project as much as possible to put it up for critique, okay? You're going to put it up for critique in two places. One of them is going to be in the classroom discussions, and that's so that everybody can see it and comment on it, and you can get feedback from your peers. And then you also want to submit it, the actual PSD file, into the Laulima assignment, okay? The reason is because I need to look at your file to make sure you got the technical aspect covered, and then in case I need to help you with your document, I can kind of show you directly inside your file what you might try to do, okay? And then also the class discussions ones, that needs to be a JPEG. There's instructions for how to do this. You want to go ahead and click here. Step 1 is going to be to optimize the file so that it'll fit nicely into your discussions posting for critique. And so make sure you take a look at these settings here. The next step is step 2. You're going to submit your JPEG file into the discussion groups, and it tells you how to go about doing that just like you did for Illustrator. And the step 3 is to submit your file in Laulima assignments. Okay, I need both files, one posted to discussions as a JPEG and one original PSD file posted to the assignment. And 4 is to critique work, and that's leaving them one comment of what you feel they've done well and one comment on what you think they could improve. And this is so that they're able to improve their work. All right, so we're going to close out of that. All right, and when you're done submitting your files, make sure that you do that critique of your peers. You have until midnight of that day, okay? Just one reminder, last time it was the first time, it took everybody a little bit longer. This time, please don't delay. Every time that you delay, it pushes everybody back. All the students have to come back at a later time and comment. Same with me, giving you feedback. It takes a lot longer, so please be courteous to your classmates, be courteous to me, and submit your stuff on time, okay? Whatever it is you have at that time, that's what you should submit so that you can get credit for it, okay? By now you should have a pretty good hang of how it goes to turn in stuff, all right? I'm usually pretty understanding the first project. Second, I start getting a little bit stricter. Third project, I'm obviously going to be a little bit stricter about that, okay? All right, so please submit your stuff, and good luck. This concludes your lesson on the homework. If you have any questions, I led at hawaii.edu.